What if I told you that thousands of everyday people are using AI tools like ChatGPT to make an extra $500, $1,000, even $5,000 a month without quitting their jobs, learning to code, or starting from scratch? According to multiple freelance platform reports, AI-related gigs are among the fastest-growing categories online, with demand increasing dramatically in the last 2 years. And here's the shocking part. Most of these people aren't tech experts. They're teachers, office workers, students, and parents using AI to automate tasks and launch simple side hustles. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how beginners are using ChatGPT in 2026 to make money, and how you can start today. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know what ChatGPT actually is and how it works, how to use it step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. 5 practical ways to use ChatGPT to make money. Real examples of prompts you can copy and use today. If you've ever thought, AI sounds cool, but I have no idea where to start, this video is for you. Let's jump in. ChatGPT is an AI assistant that can write content, answer questions, generate ideas, help with coding, create marketing copy, analyze information, and automate everyday work tasks. Think of it like having a super smart assistant who works 24/7 and can help with almost anything you type. Instead of spending hours researching, writing, or brainstorming, you can simply ask ChatGPT to do the heavy lifting. But the key to getting great results is how you ask. Here's the simplest way to get started. Step 1. Open ChatGPT. Go to the ChatGPT website or app and log in. Step 2. Start a new chat. You'll see a message box at the bottom. This is where you type your request. Step 3. Use a clear, specific prompt. Bad example. Write something about business. Good example. Write a 200-word Instagram caption for a small coffee shop in Seattle, targeting young professionals. The more specific you are, the better the output. Step 4. Refine the result. You can say, make it shorter, make it more professional, add humor, rewrite for beginners. You're basically training the AI to give you the exact result you want. Now, let's talk about the real reason you're here: how to make money. One of the easiest ways to make money with AI is freelance writing. Businesses always need blog posts, product descriptions, email newsletters, social media captions. And now, with ChatGPT, you can create this content in minutes. Example. Prompt. Write a 600-word blog post about the benefits of remote work for small businesses in the US. Friendly and professional tone. Within seconds, you'll have a full article. How to make money. 1. Create a freelancing profile. 2. Offer services like blog writing, social media captions, email copy. 3. Use ChatGPT to generate drafts. 4. Edit and personalize the content. 5. Deliver to clients. Many beginners start at $20, $50 per project and scale up to $500+ per month. YouTube creators are constantly looking for scripts. With ChatGPT, you can generate full scripts in minutes. Example. Prompt. Write a 10-minute YouTube script about side hustles for busy professionals in the US. Friendly and motivational tone. You'll get hook structure talking points. Conclusion, how to make money. 1. Offer script writing services to YouTubers. 2. Reach out to small creators. 3. Charge $30, $100 per script. 4. Deliver 3-5 scripts per week. That alone can become a 1,000+ monthly side hustle. If you run, or want to start, an online store, ChatGPT is a powerful tool. It can write product titles, descriptions, ad, copy, email campaigns. Example. Prompt. Write a persuasive product description for a portable blender targeting busy professionals in the US. Keep it under 150 words. How to make money. You have 2 options. Option 1. Offer it as a service. Write product descriptions for store owners, charge per product or in bundles. Option 2. Start your own store. Use ChatGPT to write all product content. Launch a small online store. Use AI for marketing copy. Even a small store can generate a few $100s a month. Many people struggle to write strong resumes and cover letters. This is where ChatGPT becomes extremely valuable. Example prompt. Rewrite these resume bullet points to sound more results-driven and professional for a marketing role. Or, write a cover letter for a customer success role at a tech company. Friendly, confident tone. How to make money. 1. Offer resume services online. 2. Charge $25 for resume edits, $40, $75 for resume, plus cover letter. 3. Use ChatGPT to generate drafts. 4. Customize and polish before delivery. With just 5 clients per week, you could earn several $100s monthly. Digital products are one of the best AI-powered side hustles. Examples include ebooks, Notion templates, checklists, planners, mini courses. Example prompt. Create an outline for a beginner's guide to budgeting for young professionals in the US. Then, write Chapter 1 of this guide in a friendly, practical tone. Repeat this process, and you can build a full ebook. How to make money 1. Pick a niche. Fitness, personal finance, career growth, productivity. 2. Use ChatGPT to create the content. 3. Format it into a simple PDF. 4. Sell it on digital marketplaces. Even selling a $10 product to 50 people a month equals $500 monthly income. If you remember only one thing from this video, remember this formula. Role plus, task plus, details plus, format. Example, you are a professional copywriter. Write a 150-word product description for a stainless steel water bottle targeting gym-goers in the US. Use bullet points in a persuasive tone. This formula will dramatically improve your results. Today, we covered 1. Freelance writing. 2. YouTube script writing. 3. Product descriptions. 4. Resume services. 5. Digital products. All of these can be started with just a laptop, internet, and ChatGPT. You don't need to be a tech expert. You just need to start small and stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications for more AI tutorials. And here's your action step. Open ChatGPT today and type, "Give me 3 ways I can make my first $100 online using AI in the next 7 days." Pick one idea and start today. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.